Welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with an unboxing video, and I am so excited because one, it's Mother's Day. So if you are a mom, happy Mother's Day to you. I hope you have an amazing day. And two is because I got a present and I'm dying to open it. I actually picked it out with my husband and my children. They helped me to pick it out. So we went to the Coach store to get a purse. Last time I was there, like a couple weeks ago, I saw this beautiful purse and I fell in love with it. So my husband got me one and I'm so excited. I don't have any Coach purses, like I don't have any, and I'm very excited because the one that I picked out is beautiful. The print is so pretty. So the packaging, this is what it looks like. It's just a black bag that says Coach on it. And you know what, I really haven't seen any like unboxings on like a Coach purse, so I really wanted to do one and share it with you guys. And look how pretty their packaging is. I was very impressed. The girl that packaged it for me was so nice, and she put like a pink ribbon all over it. So I really wanted to share it with you guys. I think it's so cute, and I am all for like the packaging. So I'm actually quite impressed that they now give a box. I don't know if they've ever given a box before. I think I did get like a Coach tote bag probably about 10 years ago, maybe even more, and back then they didn't have like any boxes or anything, so I don't know if this is like a new thing, but it comes in a really pretty box. And how does this open? Oh, okay, so it opens like this. Oh, this is cute. It has a little like sticker on it. That is adorable. This is so exciting to me because I've never like I said, I've never gotten like a Coach purse, like, and even done like an unboxing. Ooh, look at that. It even comes with like a dust bag. This is like all new to me, guys. I don't know if this is like their normal standards, but it comes packaged so nicely. And it comes in this little bag. Okay, so this is the purse that I got, and I love the print on it. Isn't this so pretty? It's like a beige color, but it's like a very nice, it's more like a cream color, and it has little flowers, roses all over it. What caught my eye so much is that inside like the little rose there is like a tiny bit of glitter, but it's not like that kind of glitter that falls out. It's just kind of like in it. I thought it was so pretty. And I got this purse because I thought that it's like not too big, but it's not like tiny either, so it can definitely fit so much in here. You guys know I'm a mom and I carry like everything you can think of in my purse, so this is definitely going to be very handy for me. And the purse that I got has like these little handles that you can use to just carry it like in the crook of your arm, but it also has a crossbody strap. You guys know if you're a mom, a crossbody purse is a must in our lives. So it does have a crossbody strap that attaches to the purse. And that's what I look for in a bag or a purse, that it can be versatile, and that is why I chose this bag. But look how pretty this is. It's beautiful, and it does have like its little tag that says Coach on it, and it's kind of like a camel color on the inside with the Coach symbol on the front. Very pretty, all in gold hardware. And this is the inside. The inside is so pretty, you guys, because it is divided. It almost reminds me of the Louis Vuitton, the Neo Noe that I have. It also has this like division in the middle, and it has like a little side pocket here for like, you know, your phone or something, and a zipper in the middle as well. Oh, so pretty. I love the smell of new purses. This one smells so nice. So it looks like this, and then on the inside of this, it says like Coach all over it. There is also, looks like a little tag or something inside this. And also on the inside, on the other side, it has like the Coach tag right here in leather. Oh, it's so soft. And look at this, you guys. I thought this was pretty neat. So it has the Coach symbol on this side, but when you turn it around from the inside, it also has it in here as well. That is awesome. I don't know if that's new, but I thought that was pretty cool. So yeah, this is the purse that I got for Mother's Day. I am so excited. I love this purse. I don't have anything like this. Super excited, very pretty. Let me show you guys what it looks like when I wear it over the shoulder and then in the crook of my arm. So here is the purse, and this is the size so you guys can see for reference. And this is what it looks like if you put it on the crook of your arm. It's very pretty and it looks so nice just the way it is. Like I said, you can remove the strap if you prefer, just to have it more like a dressy kind of a purse. You can also use it with the strap just like this, which also looks really pretty. And you can use it as a crossbody, which looks like this. So that was my quick unboxing video of my new Coach purse. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down there below what you guys think. If you love this purse, I absolutely love it and I'm so happy with it. So like I said, if you guys are moms, a happy Mother's Day to all of you. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.